Hi everyone, and welcome to this English grammar quiz. If you're just starting to learn English, you're in the right place. Today, we have 20 questions that will help you practice some of the most important basic grammar rules. Don't worry if you're not sure about some of the answers. This quiz is all about learning and improving. Let's get started. Question 1. The correct answer, goes. The subject, she, is third-person singular, so we use goes to match the subject in the present simple tense. Next one. The correct answer is. The subject, my brother, is singular, so we use the singular verb is to describe his current state in the present tense. Great job so far. Here's question number 3. The correct answer, of. The phrase, out of danger, is a common expression meaning no longer in danger. Keep going. Here's your 4th question. The sentence refers to an action that happened in the past, so we use the past tense form of the verb eat, which is ate. Question 5. The article, an, is used before words that start with a vowel sound. The word amazing begins with a vowel sound, so we use an instead of a. Not is used to make a negative statement, while and is a conjunction used to connect words, phrases or clauses. They don't fit the structure of the sentence. Nice work. Now on to question 6. The sentence refers to an action that happened in the past, so we use the past tense of the verb come, which is came. You're doing great. Let's look at question 7. We use in when referring to being inside a place, such as a bed. Especially when talking about rest or sleep, in bed is the correct expression. Here comes question number 8. The subject, the cat, is singular, so the correct verb form is lives, which is the third-person singular present tense of the verb live. The sentence talks about a regular action. Question 9. Eating raw seafood can be dangerous if not prepared properly. So, risky is the correct word to describe the potential danger. Question 10. The pronoun her is the correct object form of she, and it is used here to show that the problem was explained to a female person. Let's keep the momentum going with question 11. The question, where do you come from, is in the present tense, so we use do as the auxiliary verb for the subject you in questions. Just a few more to go. Here's question 12. The verb did is already in the past tense, so the main verb get should be in its base form. This is because in questions and negative sentences, using did, the main verb remains in its base form. You're doing awesome. Let's move on to question 13. The verb am is part of the present continuous tense, so the verb that follows should be in the ing form. Enjoying fits because the sentence expresses an ongoing action or feeling about the movie. Great progress! Question 14 is up next. The sentence expresses a future possibility or certainty. Will is the auxiliary verb used to form the future simple tense. Won't is the contraction of will not, creating a double negative. You're almost there. Question 15 coming up. The sentence likely refers to a past event. The subject I is singular, so the correct past tense form of to be is was, and its negative form wasn't. Keep it up. Here's question 16. The subject of the question is they, which is plural. Therefore, the correct form of the verb to be, to use in the past continuous tense, is were. The question asks about an action that was ongoing in the past. Just a few more questions. Let's go to number 17. The sentence refers to an action that was ongoing in the past. The past continuous tense, was trying, is appropriate to indicate this. The subject, she, requires the singular form was, followed by the verb in its ing form. Almost done. Question 18 is next. The question is the present perfect tense, which is used to ask about past actions with relevance to the present. Has is correct because the subject, the book, is singular. Great job! Here's your second to last question. In English, here does not require a preposition because it already indicates location. The correct sentence is, I've been here many times. Using a preposition like to or at with here is unnecessary and grammatically incorrect in this context. Question 20. After has in the present perfect tense, we use the past participle form of the verb. The past participle of ride is ridden.